All right, here's that example. We are asked to calculate the employee's net pay. We know how to do that. We start with gross pay. We subtract all of the payroll deductions, whether they're voluntary or required, and then we arrive at net pay. So that's what they're asking us in this problem. Okay, so gross pay is $4,480. That's your starting point. Remember, I told you they had to give you federal withholding and state withholding because we don't have access to her W-4. So federal income tax, state income tax. So we have 823 and 448 for federal and state. All wages are subject to Social Security and Medicare. They don't give you the percentage here because they expect you to remember it. It doesn't change, 6.2 and 1.45%. And again, that's of her gross pay and Medicare. Right, so I get for Social Security and for Medicare, $64.96. Those were all of her required deductions. They're required by state and federal laws. Now let's see if she has any voluntary withholdings that she signed up for. She elects to contribute towards retirement. Way to be responsible. All right, retirement, $100 a month, and also some charitable giving. A lot of employers are offering that, where they can just take it right out of your paycheck and send it to the charity of your choice. So those are voluntary. So her net pay, after you subtract all of those, there you go. So we've done our calculation. Let's go ahead and prepare the journal entry, right? That's the only way anything gets recorded in the company's financial records is through journal entries. So it's great we've done the calculation, but it's not going to appear anywhere unless we journalize it. Okay, so let's prepare the journal entries. Let's assume this is for November 30th. All right, we will debit for her gross pay. The account is salary expense. That is for gross pay, $4,480. All of these deductions are payables. They are current liabilities until the company pays them over to the federal government, the state government, the charitable organization, right? They don't get to keep the money they withheld from employee paychecks. So we get to write liabilities, FIT payable, SIT payable, Social Security payable. I know, so fun. Medicare payable, retirement payable, charitable giving payable, and net pay goes to cash. And then we just fill in all our amounts, 823, 448, 27776, 64.96, 110, and 2756.28 to record employee pay and related deductions. Something like that. Once we pay all of this, your journal entry will be to debit all your payroll liabilities and credit cash, just like when we pay off any liability. Okay. All right, in the next video, we will talk about the employer taxes, because right now we've been really focused on the employee side, right? Employee pay, employee deductions, and net pay. So on the next video, we're going to look at employer tax responsibilities.